Welcome all. In this video, we will study the basic concept of continuity of a function. So let us start. To understand the continuity of a function, consider this example. Consider the function f of x equal to 1 if x is less than equal to 0 and 2 if x is greater than 0. Now we have drawn a graph of this function. From graph we can see that if we approach 0 from left hand side, अगर हम 0 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से यानी कि 0 से छोटे पॉइंट से अप्रोच करते हैं, if we approach 0 from left hand side, that is points smaller than 0, that is -1 or -0.9, -0.5 and all these points, अगर हम इस वे से 0 को अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, so what we get is the value of function we are getting is 1. On the other hand, if we are approaching 0 from right hand side, that is points greater than 0, अगर हम 0 को उससे बड़े पॉइंट से अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 1.5, 1.51, 0.9 and so on. So that way we are getting the value of function as 2. So we can say the left hand limit of f of x at x equal to 0 is 1. When we approach 0 from left hand side, that is points smaller than 0, then we get the left hand limit of the function. Or in this case, the left hand limit is 1. And the same way, if we are approaching 0 from right hand side, that is from points greater than 0, we get right hand limit of f of x, which is 2. Again, the value of function at x equal to 0 is given to be 1. You can check from the question that f of x is equal to 1 if x is less than or equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, the value of function is 1. So what we conclude from these is that left hand limit of the function is not equal to right hand limit of the function at x equal to 0. Also, the value of the function at x equal to 0 is 1. So the right hand limit of f of x at x equal to 0 is not equal to the value of the function at x equal to 0. Also, we can see that we cannot draw the graph of this function in one stroke. हम इस function के ग्राफ को बिना पेन उठाए draw नहीं कर सकते. That is, we cannot draw it without lifting the pen from the plane of the paper. हम इसे continuously draw नहीं कर सकते इस ग्राफ को. So what we conclude is that this function is not continuous at x equal to 0. Now consider another example. Here function f is defined as f of x equal to 1 if x is not equal to 0 and 2 if x is equal to 0. Now here again we have drawn a graph. From the graph we can see that the value of the function at x equal to 0 is 2, and if we approach x equal to 0 from left hand side, what we get is the value of the function is 1. Similarly, if we approach x equal to 0 from right hand side, that is point greater than 0, again we get the value of the function as 1. So what we conclude is that right hand limit and left hand limit both are equal to 1. यहाँ पर अगर हम 0 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से अप्रोच करते हैं तो फंक्शन की वैल्यू हमें क्या मिलती है 1. एंड अगेन इफ वी अप्रोच, अगर दोबारा से हम x इक्वल टू 0 को राइट हैंड साइड से अप्रोच करते हैं, मतलब कि उससे बड़ी वैल्यूज से, तब भी हमें फंक्शन की वैल्यू क्या मिल रही है, 1. सो वी कैन कंक्लूड कि लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट ऑफ दिस function at x equal to 0 are equal, but the value of the function at x equal to 0 is 2, which does not coincide with the common value of left and right hand limits. So, and also again we can see that we cannot draw the graph of this function without lifting the pen. यहाँ पर भी हम इस फंक्शन का ग्राफ पेन को लिफ्ट किए बिना, पेन उठाए बिना हम नहीं बना सकते, कंटिन्यूअसली हम नहीं ड्रॉ कर सकते. So here also we conclude that f of x is not continuous at x equal to 0. So what is the definition of continuity? Let us see. Definition says, suppose f is a real function on a subset of the real numbers and let c be a point in the domain of f. Suppose f एक real function है जो कि real numbers पे defined है on a subset of real numbers, and suppose c एक point है f के domain का, then f is continuous at c if limit x tend to c f of x is equal to f of c. f को हम बोलेंगे कि f continuous है c पर if we evaluate this limit, that is limit x tend to c f of x, if this limit exists and this is equal to f of c, that is the value of function at point c, then we say f is continuous at c. Or we can say, if left hand limit of f of x and right hand limit of f of x and value of f of x at c exist and are equal, then we can say f of x is continuous at x equal to c. What does it mean? That here we are saying that limit x tend to c f of x should be equal to f of c. Limit जो है वो कब exist करेगी? When left hand limit and right hand limit of f of x at that point are equal. So limit will exist and that limit should be equal to value of function at that point, that is at x equal to c, which we are considering. So in that case we will say that our function is continuous. So for that, again, when will the function be continuous? If left hand limit of function at that point, right hand limit of the function at that point, both should be equal, and the common value should be equal to the value of the function at that point, that is x equal to c. Now consider an exercise on this. Discuss the continuity of the function f of x equal to mod x at x equal to 0. Now we know the definition of mod x function. It is defined as f of x equal to minus x if x is less than 0 and x if x is greater than equal to 0. Now here we can see that the value of the function at x equal to 0 is equal to x. If we put x equal to 0 in x, so it becomes 0. Now left hand limit of f of x, that is equal to, here we will check for x less than 0. The value of the function is minus x. जब x की value 0 से छोटी है, यानी कि when we are approaching 0 from values less than 0. So from there we get left hand limit, and here the function for left hand limit is minus x. If we put x equal to 0, left hand limit is equal to 0. Now again for right hand limit, check for x greater than 0, that is if we approach 0 from points greater than 0. So here the value of the function is only x. So again if we put the limit, that is x tend to 0, we get right hand limit as 0. So what we see is, what we conclude, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, which is equal to value of the function at x equal to 0. So all of these are equal. So we can conclude here that f is continuous at x equal to 0. In this way, we can check for all the functions. We have to evaluate left hand limit, right hand limit, and the value of the function at that point. If all of these are equal, we can conclude that the function is continuous at the point under consideration. So this completes the concept of continuity. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.